you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is yet again a makeup look and it is obviously Durga Puja special. You can pull off this particular look during like Ashtami or during like you're going for your Pushpanjali in the morning, and even on Dashmi if you're going for your Shidur Khala and all of those things. Now I've kept the makeup really simple, not too many things going on my face, not too many products going on my face, and I've kept the eyeshadow very simple. Now it all depends on what outfit you're wearing, which color you'll be wearing, so everything depends on that. Since I am wearing an orange and maroon, so I've kept my makeup to like my eyeshadow to that base. If you guys want to check out how I created this particular look, so let's begin with today's video.
First, I'll use the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Now, I usually use this like in the morning and in the night. But before makeup also you guys can check out, and I'll be soon coming up with the review of this particular product. So please stay tuned. So next I will be applying my forever favorite Lactocalamine. So this is again I have mentioned in many of my videos, so I'll just link down my previous videos so that you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. Now this is something which suits my skin, so I can't guarantee you कि ये आपके skin को suit करेगा, but इसका दो variant है, one for oily skin and for normal skin I guess. So I use the one for the oily skin. So all the products which I am using will be mentioned in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check it out as well. So next I'm using the Lakme foundation. So this is like the basic Lakme foundation, and मतलब ये I guess this one is for ₹150 and I got it from Nykaa. And I have washed my makeup sponge, and thankfully वो pink जो shade था makeup sponge के ऊपर, that beauty blender, it has gone. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I'll just dab it. So बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं ना, वो फाउंडेशन लेके और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा रब करते हैं अपने फेस में. तो उसमें क्या what I have like personally experienced is that कि ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर में अगर उस तरीके से कोई अगर करता है यूज़, तो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर में वो फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सोक इन हो जाता है. और अगर हम लोग डैप करते हैं अपने फेस पे तो वो ज़्यादा आपके फेस पे रहता है, अदर दैन दैट लाइक गेटिंग इनटू द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. सो आई गेस दैट दिस वाज अ वेरी यूजफुल टिप. थैंक मी लेटर. सो आई हैव गॉट अ पिम्पल राइट ओवर देयर. Like these pimples are like everywhere, like especially in my chin area, like especially मतलब हर एक वीडियो में एक पिंपल रहना मतलब उन लोग का ये काम हो गया है. लाइक दे हैव टू बी देयर, लाइक दे हैव टू स्टील द लाइमलाइट एंड व्हाटसोएवर. So I'll just quickly dab it on my face. And now one thing is blending is very important. मतलब ये ना हो कि आपके चीक के एरिया पे एक पैच हो जाए और एक फोरहेड के एरिया पे एक पैच हो जाए, तो वो पैच जो है ना बहुत मतलब it looks almost like it's uneven and you haven't done it properly. So please make sure to blend it properly. And next again my Sasta powder, irrespective of using Maybelline loose powder, Lakme loose powder, I always use this 10 rupees ka Pond's powder. So next I'm using this, I don't know what it's called guys. So this is like I use this brush especially for applying blush and this powder thing. So ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम आता है. नाउ व्हाट आई जनरली यूज़ टू डू इज़ दैट आई यूज़ टू टेक द पाउडर इन माई हैंड एंड देन पैट इट ऑन माई फेस. तो उसमें आई थिंक कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पाउडर तो हाथ में चला जाता था. सो नेक्स्ट आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग विद दिस ब्रश. सो फर्स्ट आई विल बी डूइंग माई आईब्राउज. नाउ फॉर द आईब्राउज आई विल बी चूजिंग अ डार्क लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ब्लैक मैट जो शेड है मेरे फॉरएवर दिस आई शेडो पैलेट में. सो वो ब्लैक शेड लेके आई जस्ट क्विकली डू माई आईब्राउज. नाउ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आईब्राउज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू लाइक शेप योर आईब्राउज विथ योर लाइक. और बहुत जन का होता है कि आईब्राउ कम है, हेयर कम है, तो उसमें यू कैन फिल इट अप विथ द ब्लैक कलर. बट व्हाट आई जनरली डू इज़ दैट आई जस्ट मेक अ गुड शेप ऑफ दैट आईब्राउज सो दैट वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट दिखे इवन ड्यूरिंग इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग अ पिक्चर और यू आर मेकिंग वीडियो और समथिंग, तो वो ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट दिखे. सो माई जनरली आइडिया ऑफ मेकिंग आईब्राउज इज़ to make it look more fuller and prominent. So that is what I'm trying to achieve over here, and I have just used this brush for the eyebrows, I'll just brush it off the excessive so that वो ज़्यादा thick ना दिखे. So I've done the next eyebrow, like the next eye. So next I'm taking this brush. I'll be just quickly going for a nude, like very nude shade. And what I do is that after taking वो शेड अपने ब्रश में, आई जस्ट पैट इट सो दैट द एक्सेसिव गोज़ डाउन. नहीं तो वो क्या होता है ना कि बहुत टाइम पे ये होता है कि आपके फेस पे वो गिरता है. सो बहुत जन करते हैं कि सेलो टेप वो साइड में लगा के, एंड सेलो टेप साइड में लगा के इट्स ओके, इट डज द जॉब, बट यू नो वो याद नहीं रहता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो आई हैव जस्ट क्विकली टेकन अ वेरी न्यूड शेड अपने आईज़ में सो दैट वो ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट दिखे नो मैटर वॉट कलर आई शैडो आई यूज़. सो बहुत ही लाइट है. इट्स नॉट दैट कि आई एम डूइंग समथिंग वेरी वेरी स्टिकी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो सिंस माई साड़ी वॉज लाइक इट्स ऑफ a bit of maroonish and orangish, so I've just taken the base of the orange color. Orange मतलब वो उसमें ना orange and golden mixed किया हुआ है. So वो क्या है ना, I'll be using that for the base, मतलब वो एक base हो जाएगा. And उसके बाद I'll be applying the goldenish color of a maroon color. So उसमें क्या होता है, एक ombre effect आ जाता है. And the most important thing is that whenever you're using like 2 shades or 3 shades का eyeshadow in order to blend, like blending is very important. ये ना हो कि मतलब ऊपर में एक लेयर हो गया है एक कलर का, फिर दूसरा कलर दिए लेकिन वो ज़्यादा ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ, वो लग रहा है कि मतलब बस ऊपर से थोप दिया है. So that blending process is very important. Like no matter how many times कि आपके ब्रश को वो blend करना पड़े, but please make sure to maintain that so that it looks even, so that it looks complete. And ombre effect अगर आप लोग achieve करना चाहते हैं, so that is a very important thing. Now cut crease is another very very famous thing, like it's going round the trending clock. So cut crease I haven't tried it yet, but I am definitely looking forward to try that for my Diwali look. So please stay tuned for that, and also please do comment down below as to मतलब कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये look, and how are you finding the series of this whole particular Durga Puja series and all of that. I know for the fact that many of the people won't be going out of their house, but still it's okay. You can definitely like dress up, you can do your makeup and feel the puja celebrations going on around you. You can video call your friends, you can like call your family members if you're staying outside. So I don't think कि मतलब just because of this coronavirus situation people won't be doing makeup, people won't be buying clothes. Now I know for the fact that they will. So next I'm choosing the next base color shade which I'm going to apply on my eyes. So this is for the, I'll be just using 2 shades this time. So this I'll be just applying in my inner corners, like mostly in this area, and उसको blend बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करना पड़ेगा. तो क्या हो गया, मेरे ऊपर में एक कलर शेड आ गया और नीचे में कलर शेड आ गया, एंड इट्स ब्लेंडिंग फ्रॉम द इनर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ माई आई. सो आई डू रियली थिंक दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर. सो आई जस्ट क्विकली मेक वन आई, एंड आई लाइनर मैंने ऑफलाइन कर दिया है बिकॉज आई लाइनर इज़ बेसिकली, आई डोंट डू लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा आई लाइनर. आई जस्ट डू लाइक very basic one, a winged one. Like generally I don't do a winged liner, I just do like simple ones. If you guys will see the pictures very carefully, you guys will understand what I do. Now मेरा मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल लुक्स ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम यूजिंग लाइक वेरी वेरी लाइक लानियाज एंड फेस शॉप एंड वॉट नॉट, लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. So I think that people will be able to relate to my videos because I try to include things, and I personally use the things which are really super affordable and which are actually good, like worth purchasing. Now obviously लैक्मे फाउंडेशन के ऊपर भी मेबलिन का फाउंडेशन है, यू कैन नायका का प्रेप अप फाउंडेशन, प्राइमर एंड एवरीथिंग. बट आई डू फील दैट वट एवर माई स्किन नीड्स, वट एवर आई नीड, आई हैव टू डिसाइड ऑन दैट. नाउ इफ़ आई डिसाइड ऑन कि मुझे ये चाहिए, सो आई कैन परचेज दैट, बट it all depends on what you're thinking. Like if you're thinking that Maybelline का 3-4 shade use करके you'll feel good, so that is up to you. But I try and focus more on affordable things. So that is what, if you are an ardent follower, you will be understanding कि I have been going on using affordable things for the longest time, and I will keep on promoting or will keep on advising you guys to please, you can just check it out the products, कम साइज़ का लो, खरीदो एंड चेक आउट फॉर योर सेल्फ वेदर इट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू और नॉट. एंड लैक्मे एक ऐसा, आई थिंक लाइक लैक्मे इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट like the leading companies in makeup in India, and they are actually selling like good products and everything. So I do really think that if the new product which they have come up with, I am looking forward in trying that. It's a primer and it's a foundation, all like both infused together. So I'm looking forward to that. I will definitely share the review with you guys. So I think that almost my eye makeup is done. Now eye makeup is something which takes a good amount of time if you actually want to do it perfectly. So I try to invest good amount of time for my eye makeup, and I think that all of you guys should do the same. So my eye makeup is done. I've just quickly done my eyeliner off camera, and then I am using this Maybelline का Hyper Curl mascara. What I do is that mascara वो जो excessive amount at the tip में होता है ना, उसको आप पैक कर दीजिए, क्योंकि वो अगर आपके लैशेस में स्टिक हो जाए, फिर उसको ठीक करना, उसको एक प्रॉपर साइज़ में या इवन करना वो बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो वो पैट ऑफ एक्सेसिव को पैट ऑफ करके ही आप लोग यूज़ करें. सो इट बिकम्स ईजियर फॉर यू टू अप्लाई एज वेल, एंड वो मैसी हो जाने का कोई चांस नहीं रहता है. सो आई थिंक दैट ऑलमोस्ट माई मस्कारा इज़ डन फॉर माई बोथ आईज. एंड what do you guys think? Please do comment down below as to how you did found out this eye makeup look. Especially I was super excited because of the color of my sari, and of course it's thrifted from my mom. So just let me know in the comment section down below so how you guys did found out this video. And बहुत ज़्यादा ताम झाम करने का ज़रूरत है नहीं. You can just, anybody can pull off this particular look. So next I'll be just using this Lakme का काजल. Now what previously I thought I'd be doing is that वो काजल जैसे नीचे पूरा, but this time I thought of applying like joining the liner and like applying थोड़ा सा outside में, बस थोड़ा सा. It's not that कि मैं पूरा आँख को drawing कर रही हूँ, तो बस थोड़ा सा ही. You have to just make sure कि वो join हो जाए. I'm just applying like little bit so that it seems ना कि एक प्रॉपर आई मेकअप जॉइन हो गया. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग अनदर स्मॉल ब्रश एंड आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस शिमरी वाइट kind of shimmery shade in the inner corners. And this is a very important step, guys. Very important step if you guys want your eye makeup to like for people to actually see. So it is a very important step. I had mentioned this previously in my previous videos as well. So definitely if you guys have been following me for that long, you guys will understand. And वो थोड़ा सा end में भी you guys can do that. So उससे क्या होता है, एक शाइनी इफेक्ट भी आता है, और उससे एक मतलब होता है ना कि दूर से people can recognize you, your eye makeup is that much appealing. So it just makes your eyes look more prominent. So you can definitely do this trick whatsoever. So next I will be going for, I think my eye makeup is almost done. I'll just quickly pat off the excess whatever. अगर कुछ भी आई शेडो का excess आपके face पे है तो उसको pat off करना is very important. I think it's almost done. I'll just quickly apply my lip balm. So this is again a lip balm from Blue Heaven, and this is in the flavor called Bubblegum. So I will definitely mention all the links in the description box down below. So this is again from Elitine, and this one I think was a bit, I'll just quickly mention the shade names in the description box down below. I have used two lipsticks because एक base में I try to put the nudish color, and on the top I try to put the actual like coffee color or brown color or maroon color. So that is what my agenda is. That is what my trick is actually, to have that ombre effect in your lips as well. So बहुत जन क्या करते हैं, एक ही लिपस्टिक अप्लाई करते हैं, and like I genuinely try to like mix and match and do and try out stuff. So it's actually fun. You guys should always have fun while doing your makeup. It's not that कि मतलब करना है, मतलब maths का कोई exam नहीं है ये. It's just that you should actually enjoy doing it. And बहुत जन को होता है कि they don't do makeup. Like it's okay, it's their personal choice, but I think that it's actually super fun. You have loads and loads of options to experiment with. So I think that it's a very, very good thing. So my makeup is done, like super done. So I just quickly go and change. I have just applied my mom's watch, ring, earring, and my mom's sari. Everything is of my mom's, like thrifted all. So please do guys let me know how you did found out this video, this particular makeup look. I will be looking forward to all of you guys' comments.
Today's video. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video and taken like inspiration. Now it's not mandatory that you have to have an orange sari or a maroon sari. Now you can go crazy about your fashion looks, about your makeup looks. Now this is something that I wanted to pull it off for a long time in my channel, but I think that I am slowly beginning to follow the rule of uploading on time, like scheduling my videos and doing like so many crazy things. Like upcoming a Diwali look is also coming down, so please stay tuned for that. And also comment down below as to how you did found out this video, how you did found out this makeup look which I created. And of course this saree is my mom's, the earrings are my mom's. Now I don't know, the watches of my mom, like the ring is of my mom. So of course these things are thrifted from my mom's wardrobe, but nonetheless I really enjoyed creating this look. Now I am also surprised because I am not a person who is like always into Indian and festive looks. Please don't forget to comment down below as to how you did found out this video, because your comments are really enticing for me. It really motivates me, it helps me to get better in my future videos. So please don't forget to do that. Till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.